In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove payment method on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then at the very top hit Add your name to open up Apple ID settings, and that's where you can easily find payment and shipping. Just get into it and you will be taken to this page where you can find all your payment methods just right here. And in order to remove payment method, you can just get into it and then hit Add remove payment method. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.